Hello everyone, and welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube, where we talk about all things luxury, be it luxury fashion, luxury travel, or life's luxuries in general. Today, I am very happy to be doing a pre-loved unboxing. So my last video, I took you guys on a bit of a shopping day around Nashville, went to a vintage fair, went to Luxury Label, which is one of my favorite pre-loved stores, took you to YSL, and I also went to a few other stores in the mall while I was there that I forgot to film. And so today I'm going to be doing the unboxing from that shopping trip. And I want to start out with Chanel. So one of the questions I get asked quite a bit is what it is that I do for my makeup. And one of the things that I did yesterday is that I went to Chanel and I wanted to sort of redo what I was doing for my makeup routine to make my already simple makeup routine even more simple. I wanted to be able to do it in 5 minutes, and this morning I did it in 5 minutes. And so I'm going to show you guys what I got and what it is that I use to do my makeup today, but I also want to highlight the fact that Chanel Beauty did Valentine's ribbon and a little Valentine's metal camellia charm, which I thought was really nice, particularly given how disappointed that I've been recently in luxury packaging. So here's my new makeup routine. I use the Le Beige foundation, and this is in color BD01. Then I use the Sublimage concealer, and that is in color, I think it's color 02. Then after I do that, I put on the blush, Contrast Intense Rose Ardent. For the rest of my look, I just have on lip gloss, and this is the last of the new products that I got. It is the Rouge Cocoa Gloss in color 172. And then the two products that I already had, that since I'm sharing the other ones, figured that I'd share these as well. They're Stylo Eyebrow Pencil in color 810. And finally is the Noir Allure, looks like color 051002. And that is what I use for my mascara. So that is all that I have on my skin for makeup. That is it. And so far, I'm really, really enjoying it. Now, next place that I went into was Lilly Pulitzer, and I did pull out a dress from Lilly. So in the summer, Lilly Pulitzer is one of my go-tos. I've had a couple of dresses that I've had for years. I have dogs, they get washed quite often, and they're really just sort of starting to look worn out. And so I wanted to get a new Lilly summer dress to wear casually, and so I pulled this dress, which is in a really nice athletic stretchy fabric. It's got a stretchy waist. And then one of the things I really like that Lilly has started doing, I noticed with everything that I was trying on, is that the athletic dresses were all coming with little athletic shorts to go under them. And so I was really excited about that as well. I tried on so many beautiful things in YSL, so many things that I loved, a couple of things that have gone on the wish list, a couple of things that I will watch to see if they go on sale at some point, 50% off, but didn't actually come home with anything from YSL. I did not come home with anything from the vintage show. There was one Chanel blazer that I loved and that I felt really sort of beautiful and polished and ladylike in, but I felt that it was way overpriced for being a vintage blazer, and so I left that there. I felt that it should have been about half the price. But then I went to Luxury Label and had some amazing finds in Luxury Label. Blake came out with something from Luxury Label, and he even came out with something that's YSL from the Luxury Label. And Beth and Jordan over there are amazing people. I love them very much. They are always going to sell you authentic products, and so I was, one, very excited just to get to see them, but also really glad to find some great deals because they do have some really great priced things. So let me grab Blake's item and then I'll show you what I got. So Blake came home with this really gorgeous black leather jacket, and this is a $5,400 jacket. He got this jacket for $1,300. And it's in fantastic shape. There's nothing wrong with it. I think that Jordan was a little bit sad that Blake loved it so much because it came home with Blake instead of going home with Jordan. But really very excited to have this on Blake. Like, as soon as I walked out and I saw him wearing it, I was like, yeah, you've got to get that. And he's like, yeah, I've already paid for this. And so we brought this jacket home for him, adding to his YSL collection. He now definitely has more YSL than I do, which is kind of surprising to me, but I also kind of love it at the same time. And then for the price of Blake's item, I brought home 6 pieces of clothing from Luxury Label. And the first thing that I brought home is from a brand that I really love, but just for one reason or another don't have anything from yet, and that is Celine. So this is my first piece of Celine, and it is in beautiful, like new condition. In fact, it might even be new. In fact, it's still got the tags on it. I just checked, it still has the tags on it. So this is a piece that online, it's still online, is $1,800. And it is this really, really cute Celine square-necked cropped sweater. So it is cropped, and it has these little triumphs on the side of it. And so if I want, I can wear this just as a sweater with a pair of high-waisted pants. I can put a tank top on under it. I can put this over like some sort of a like dress slip type of situation. I just really liked this and got this for $350. But I was really excited to get this. I put it on, Blake was like, yeah, you've got to get that sweater. So this one definitely came home. Then the next thing that I got, another brand that I really love, but have never bought from the like top tiers of the brand, is Ralph Lauren. So I have a lot of polo Ralph Lauren pieces. I didn't have any true Ralph Lauren pieces. And I am so excited to have this set, and it is this gorgeous jacket. So it's a mix of linen and leather, and so it is actual true leather. So I do have now a Ralph Lauren leather jacket, but then it also came with matching jeans. They're made to look like jodhpurs. And so it's got like this belt in the front, and it has, and like I said, like it's denim, but like it's got like these cute little cuffs on it. And then the leather trim that is on it is stamped to look like crocodile. And it's just together a really, really cool look. And so I'm so excited to get to wear this spring, because I live in Tennessee and I have seen snow in May. I've also seen 85-degree days in January. And so you never know what our weather's going to do here. You never know how hot or how cold it's gonna be, how sunny or how rainy or how snowy. And so this is going to be great for the spring during unpredictable weather. The leather set was $450 for the jacket and the pants. Now, if you watch my channel and if you've been watching for a while, you'll know that 2 women that I really do appreciate their style are Princess Kate and Meghan, Duchess of Sussex. And no matter how you feel about those 2 women as individuals, they are very much fashion influences, and they are 2 people who they have totally different styles, they live totally different lives, but I love each of their styles. And one of the brands that we see Kate wear a lot is Oscar de la Renta. And I have never bought anything from the brand, nothing against the brand, it's just that we don't have anyone in Nashville who sells it. And so I've never really been able to try it on. And a lot of the pieces that she wears are very, very prim and proper that I don't necessarily have a reason to wear. But these 2 pieces were such amazing deals that I couldn't pass them up. And that first piece is this green dress. So it's the sweater and then a sleeveless sweater dress that is super nice and stretchy. Again, this is another piece that it is in like new condition. I can't find any wear on this dress, and I got the dress and the sweater together for $450. So again, I was super stoked, but this last piece I'm about to show you really takes the cake, and I'm just over the moon with this last piece. So the final piece that I got is this really lovely blue lace dress, but it is this gorgeous lace blue dress that, as you can see, still has the original Oscar de la Renta tags on it. And the original tag is for $2,890. I still don't believe that the price on this is real. Beth charged me $80 for this brand new with tags dress. And like, I am just so thrilled to have this dress. Like, this is absolutely going to be my Easter dress this year, I think. And I haven't bought a new Easter dress in several years. But to have a $3,000 dress that I got for $80 brand new with tags, I'm still just in shock. And they had so many other amazing pieces that were in my size or that were just a little bit too small for me because of my bust, that I absolutely loved. There were several handbags in there that I really loved. I was really strongly considering the Burberry bag. I saw this bag on their website a couple of days before and loved it. I would love to have that Burberry bag. That Burberry bag is still new with tags. And I normally don't like Burberry bags. So the fact that I'm like, I love this bag should tell you guys like how great of a bag it is. If any of you are interested in this, like, contact luxury label and get this bag. Someone needs this bag. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag that deserves to be worn. I should have bought that bag. But I got a lot of really amazing clothes, and this is why I'm so in love with going with Preloved. Because as much as I love fashion, and as much as I love all the different pieces of ready-to-wear that I have, and all the different luxury items that I have, and as much as I respect the fact that luxury pieces are going to be more expensive, I'm not comfortable always spending that much on clothing. And I like to find a deal. And I like paying for things at a price point that I'm not going to feel self-conscious wearing them, either because I spent that much on a piece of clothing or because I'm so worried about it getting messed up because I spent that much on a piece of clothing. I have pieces in my closet that, like, don't get me wrong, I'm totally fine with how much I paid for them. My YSL suit, I'm totally fine with how much that I paid for that suit. My Ferrari clothes, I'm totally fine with how much that I paid for those. But finding deals like this, it makes me so happy and so excited. And I think one of the things that I really love about Preloved, whether I want to admit it or not, is that I love going on a hunt for a deal. I love deal hunting. And Preloved allows me to do that. And I'm just so excited with all of my purchases from yesterday. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of my and Blake's purchases. And also let me know what you think of my new makeup style. Also, we're getting so close to 3,000 subscribers. I had a period of time where my subscribers were just fluctuating so much up and down, but seems to have steadied out to a slow, steady climb. And we've got 60 subscribers to go to get to 3K. So please share this channel with friends on your Instagrams, your Facebooks, anyone who you know who might be interested in fashion, so that we can give away the Strathberry bag that I'm doing for 3K. That 3K video is linked down below. And so make sure that you have entered as well if you are watching this. With that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye.